Okay, the obvious weather report. Out in the elements, so you don't have to be. Well, what can I tell you? It's black, it's windy, it's wet, it's foggy, it stinks of bonfires. And if you listen just ever so carefully, you can hear the groans and the moans of disappointed children whose parents were rowdy fireworks. All this means, oh hang on, that's weather down there. And if you have a clue, it's a little fire engine outside Mother's, which means she's got her indoor-outdoor flow. That means bloody bonfire night, innit? Anyhow, that's it for now. I'm getting off this hill, it's piss wet. So, until the next time,